Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can decorate houses in Avatar world. So if you want to turn your house in Avatar world into a personalized masterpiece, you can use the decorating tools, and here is how you can do it. So once you pick a house, you'll see like this box right here that you can click, and it will be open. The inventory mention will be open in here, so you can just pick the items that you want to add. So let's say this one in the living room, you can just click on the items and place it to however you like. Like this, for example, I'm going to put it in here, and you can pick on another item like this. You can even change the wallpaper, so you can just click on the wall like this, or the items that you want to change its color. So this one I want to change the wallpaper like this, for example. So you can just choose the pattern or the color that you like, and let's change this door color. Also the other one, if you want to move to another room, you can just here swipe just like this, and then you can choose the room. Like for this one, the pool, you can just find the room in here, or if you want to decorate your bedroom, you can also do that in here. Let's see. And in another room, you also find another box that you can click to decorate another room. Like this one, I think this one is the kitchen, so you can just click on the items again and adjust it to how you prefer. So that's how you can decorate your houses in Avatar world. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.